Thank you once again, all of you. Good morning. This is my fourth presentation. I think the first one I danced with two other members who are not here today. The second and third I sang songs.
With two members that don't presentation.
I sang songs. So this time I was out of ideas. So for a change, I just thought I would call my subconscious mind today. Hello. Hi Kavita. Hey, nice to see all of you. Good morning. Good morning, Sudhan. You're looking good. Last week, Sudhan, your motivational speech, amazing. Great going, Sudhan. Okay. Listen to me now. Sorry. Tell me. Tell me, Kavita, how can I be of use today? Okay, I want to know a few details. There are so many new members here. So, can you give a brief history of Kota Gold? Sure, why not? So brief is, I'll really keep it brief. I know sometimes these presentations are so boring. Anyway, before Kota Gold, our origin was B.R. Nataraj Jewellers, which was started in Big Bazaar Street by my great-grandfather, that is my husband's great-grandfather. In the year 1924, he started B.R. Jewellers, and after that my father-in-law, Mr. Dhruv Kumar, he followed his footsteps. And currently this is 2024 and this is our 100th year in the jewelry industry. Wow, 100 years, that's really nice. Wait, let me complete it. So, and my husband, our husband, Sendil retail industry of the same jewelry. And in 1995, he started Kota Jewellers in Raja Street. Now my son is the fourth generation, Prapanch Kota, he's the fourth generation in the same industry. So what is Kota Gold known for and what are you doing recently? Nice. Kota Gold is known for its beautiful collections. So we have gold jewelry. In gold itself we have lightweight, fancy, designer, bridal, nagas. Everything will be unique here. We also have diamond jewelry. That also lightweight, affordable and as well as bridal. So we are really known for our designs because we make using less gold, less diamond, but it will look still big only. We also have silver jewelry in our collection. And recently my son Prapanch Kota, he's got into the new vertical, that is lab-grown diamond jewelry. In his 9 months, he's opened up 3 branches. That is in Bangalore, Chennai, and recently in Guwahati. Yes, I'm really happy about that. Thanks for the update. Okay, one last question. What is the vision that you have for Kota Gold? My vision for Kota Gold, I want Kota Gold to be known for our designs. I want everybody should be able to afford beautiful jewelry. So I want to be known for our reasonable pricing for the quality of products that we give. In short, ultimately, what I want is when people think of jewelry, they should think of Kota Gold. Their heart should sing Kota Gold. Yes, that is my ultimate dream. Okay, thank you. Now you can leave now. Thank you, bye-bye. It was nice. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. See you all for breakfast soon. Bye. Only here I can try all these things. Anyway, coming back to reality, after whatever that Kavita told, I want to elaborate more on what Kota Gold is known for. I keep telling customization. So today I thought I'll explain to you what customization is all about. People come to our store, most probably they will like what is there ready up. But then there are this new generation, they'll get images from Pinterest, from the internet, somewhere and all, they'll come and tell they want like this. So recently, one of our customers, she bought the picture like this. This is the reference she gave me, this is actually from Cleveland Museum of Natural History. That's what I understood from the internet. But anyway, she was very particular. She went around all the stores and finally she decided that she'll do it only with me. So she came and showed me this image. So with that, I made a computer aided design. So this is a replica of how the jewelry is going to become. With this, then she was telling like, the stones look smaller. So then I gave a reference, do you like such big stones? She was okay with that. And then after that, I made the alterations with that. This was not enough for her. She said like, the center one of that has to be in a square shape. Again, I altered the cat, and this was the final cat design that she had approved. So with this cat, I can always tell what is the exact gold weight, exact diamond carats that is going to come in that product. She approved this, and finally I made it, and this is the piece that I had made, and she's wearing that. She's only in 11th grade, but she was so particular, and ultimately she was telling me like, this was more beautiful than what she had actually imagined only. She also saw only in the internet, but she said she was very, very happy to get the final piece like this. So this was a recent, it can be a small one or a big one. From the nose pin to anything we can customize it to. This was around, I think 10 lakhs.
What's the other way? What's the
These are semi-precious. Actually, the stone cost is only around 20,000. But I gave the look of it. She didn't want diamonds are there. That's more of the diamonds. 8 carats diamonds or something is there. Yeah. So now after that, what I really wanted to share here was, we all know that a part of our savings has to go for gold. At least 10 to 20% of the savings has to be in gold. So to keep it little easier for you, we have brought out this monthly savings scheme. I keep telling you monthly savings scheme, monthly. So let me tell you what is it called. It is called Sandosham Gold Scheme. Like the name, it will only bring happiness to you. In this scheme, there are dual advantages. So how it works is, I'll take one moment. How it works is, you pay for 11 months, and the dual advantage, what I tell is, every month is not a fixed amount. You can pay whatever amount you want. You can pay 10,000 this time, you can pay 20,000 next month. So it's not fixed. There is no commitment like you have to give so much every month. It is totally up to you. What you give will be saved in gold. And after that, when you buy your jewelry, you will get the value addition charges up to 18% waived off. So this is a live example of a customer who had bought from us through the CHIT scheme. And so what he had done is, he had put 2 schemes. The first one, the amount was 2,60,000. The gold weight saved was 47 grams. The second one, the amount was 3,05,000, and the gold weight saved was 56 grams. Finally, after the 12th month when they bought the product, the value of the product was 7,70,000. But the customer had paid only 6 lakhs. The amount saved was 1,70,000 because of this Sandosham savings scheme. And for your kind information, this customer is a member of our chapter only. I don't want to tell out the name, but yes, this is the advantage that they had gained out there. Anyway, so I thank each and all of you who have come to Kota and showered their love and support by visiting Kota. And I hope with my presentation today, I have inspired others who have not yet come to come and visit our showroom and start their relationship and join our savings scheme as well. Thank you once again.